You might hey. Anything you sell is a market. Hey. I thought they look from my aspect.
Let's go. This is it. This is why we're here. Ooh. Okay. Okay. He never tags his name usually. You guys know this, he never tags his name. This is one of the first songs I'm hearing the name tag, bro. Hey. Hey. Wow. This is mad. Okay. I love that bass, man. Hey. Hey. Let's go. This is it. This is why we're here. Hey. Ungodly. This is why I gyrate sometimes, you know? Little Henny and Ice, man. That's the song. That's the song right there, bro. Wow, Ungodly. That was a bop. That was a bop. That was a bop. For a lot of reasons, I feel like the feel of the beat, the cadence that it's coming in with, and it was interesting with the rhyme scheme of the word godly, and it was just saying godly, and then we was using that one to rhyme, saying come body me, and I was like, this is mad. This is it. I just like that hook. It's very catchy, very strong, very creative too, man. It's talking about how he has a peace of mind just off of the fact that he thinks he's godly, right? So with being godly, with being out of trouble, it feels like, okay, it feels like that kind of sentiment. It feels like a sentiment just saying, oh yeah, I'm godly, so therefore I'm not putting myself inside unnecessary while I'm not going to places where I don't need to be, or I'm not disturbing anybody. I'm not fighting anybody. So I'm just gonna stay my own, even though they're coming for me. I'm just gonna do the right thing, be in the right place, so I can have a peace of mind, so I can go to bed and sleep at night knowing that I'm not a bad person. I think that's the sentiment of the song. A lot of people relate to that. It's very strong, and with the very simple references of Henny and Ice, it's already setting the atmosphere for a party, chilled moment, like a lounge kind of setting, and you can expect people to be turning up to this. So it's that kind of bounce. Once you hear Henny and Ice, for people, it's like it's a trigger word for people. Oh more, let's party. It's like let's chill. And at the end of the first verse, I like that reference he made about God is my kanji dam. Therefore me, I know if you drag light, or I know if you drag shine, something like that. He said, Oluwa na him be my kanji dam. Me, I know they try to reconnect the light. I like that line. I like that line a lot. It's basically saying God is the source of power here, and he doesn't necessarily need to be doing too much. Just letting God take charge. Like Loki is a very like strong gospel like sentiment behind this. But obviously, yeah, references like Henny and I. So I guess this will be in the category of Afro gospel. There's some bass key that goes in the beginning, and you can hear it at the end of the song too. It's kind of dope. It's kind of like, yo, like it was kind of edgy, and I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed that little element in the beat there. So it was a fun record. It was definitely a fun moment, and it sounded like the strongest song so far, man. Okay, thank you so much for watching that. The full album review / reaction is coming up shortly, or if it is out by now, it's over here. So definitely go follow that link and that tab and go watch it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.